My arms are small, my legs are small, my feet are small, my head's small, my eyes are small, my eyebrows small, my nose small, my mouth small, and my belly small, my hiney big.
Here we go. Not gonna mess this up. Not gonna mess this up. Here we go. Ready? Hi.
I'm convinced that my sister's dog has the longest eyelashes in the whole world, so if your dog has longer, please duet this. Here are his eyelashes. They're so long. Oh my god. You're modeling them. Ollie, you just modeled them.
This is my hair wet a little bit, but not wet at all. So I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like when it's wet. This is my hair wet.
It's peanut butter jelly time. What? Peanut butter jelly time. What? Peanut butter jelly time.
Hello. Hello. Sit. Go play the piano, Millie. Go play the piano. Play the piano. Play the piano. Here you go. Oh, there you go.
Oh! Look at that! Y'all are doing the snoozy time! Y'all are so snoozy! Look, I got you a new snooze buddy. His name is Jimmy. Take care of him. Have a good snooze.
You know what happened to my heart?
What happened to your heart?
Well, when the first time I told you, when I saw you, my heart fell in love with you.
You are thicker than a Snicker, heavy like a Chevy. Come here, little mama, let me rub up on the belly. Hey, hey, let me rub up on the belly.
Don't be suspicious. 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 Don't be.
And I can put it in a bun. And I can put it in a bun.
Who are you?
I'm Pam. Who are you?
I'm the owner of this house.
Oh.
It's you, Party.
Willow. Willow, put it on my face. What are you doing? What are you doing?
Oh, it's lovely weather. I wish the lads were here for a bit of a beveragino.
Someone say beveragino. Someone say beveragino. Did someone say beveragino? Take a little beveragino.
And nothing can go wrong. Oh no, it all went wrong.
You can take a small bite. Just bite the corner like this. Listen, just bite it. Gentle.
Oh my god. Oh my god, he on X Games mode.
Baby, you're like lightning in a bottle. I can't let you go now that I got it. And all I need is to be struck by your electric love.
No, you do not bite. No. No. Are you done? No. No.
Every time I'm in the kitchen, you in the kitchen.
I would like to thank you for guarding me while I poop. You took a job that nobody wanted, and you really stepped up to the plate. I salute you.
One of our neighbors painted their grass green, and then their poor dog turned green too. I thought he looked like the Grinch. Poor thing, he's so old. I thought this was the funniest thing.
This is my hair wet a little bit, but not wet at all. So I'm going to show you guys what it looks like when it's wet. This is my hair wet.
You must choose, Mr. Bond. Get your nails clipped or perish in the river below. What will it be, Mr. Bond?
Come on, dude.
Oh.
Found a stick on the ground, and now I'm gonna use it. All this power that I found, gonna totally abuse it. I hit so much stuff, do not get into my way, because I found a...
Our puppy isn't allowed in the bathroom yet, so I closed the door to brush my teeth. I came out and I cannot find her, not in the kitchen. She's not in this bed, not on the couch. She's not in her pen or outside of it. These doors over here we keep closed. So I turn around and here she is.
Kiwi! Somebody got carried away. Kiwi! Oh my god. Kiwi, come here.
Hi. Hi. Good morning.
Okay, so since y'all really liked me barking at her, I don't know what I say, but let's try it again and see how she reacts. Luna, sit.
You can take a small bite. Just bite the corner like this. You see? Just bite it. Gentle.
All right, new challenge. Put your hand near your dog like you're going to pet them, but don't pet them yet and see what they do.
When I bought my Jeep, I didn't realize that there was going to be an issue with having no doors. But apparently, this is how you catch dogs. Hi! Who are you? Do you want to go for a car ride?
Call my dad and tell him that we are not able to get this dog and see his reaction, and I'm gonna give him a phone call right now, and then we're gonna surprise him with the puppy at his house in like 15 minutes. So let's see what he says. And there's a dilemma with the puppy. Right. So her kids are insanely attached to it and don't want to get rid of him. Listen, she gave me the money. I have to bring you the money back. I'm gonna drop it off right now, and then I'll come back later for our cookout. But I'll explain it more when I see you in person. Alright? Are you upset?
Yeah.
You lied to me.
Yeah, we
I
did.
kicked your ass. Look at his face. Ow. You lied to me.
Yes, we did.
We? Bitch, you got it in too?
Yeah.
Is he mine?
Yeah.
We can have him right now?
Yeah, right now.
Buddy!
feet. Look at his one paw.
Look, you can't go that way. Wait till you go this way. Okay? God. Go this way.